Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be playing with the slime.
Yep.
I can't really. The last video I put blue and orange, and I can't find the orange no more. Comment down below if you can see the orange. Stop, Maddie. I can't find the orange. I'm gonna set the hook right here. So I'm gonna be putting my all of this slime is going in this container. In the next video, I'm gonna be making slime. I'm gonna be making slime. This video, I put the slime in the container. Finally, I've been waiting ages to do that. And here's the slime once again. I really cannot find the blue. The orange. I've been looking everywhere. I tore it apart. I've been looking for the orange everywhere. I cannot find the orange in here. The orange is somewhere in here.
And there. Oh, and shirt. The dog.
So we're all gonna. Me, my sisters are gonna be playing with it. No, not the dinosaur.
That's why. Come sit down. No, come sit down.
Oh
my God.
Dinosaur.
I finally got this little piece of grass out of my slime. I've been trying to do that for a very long time. For all the vlogs, at the end I'll try to get it out. I finally got it out.
It's a dinosaur.
So that's it for today.
Dinosaur.
Gosh, now I'm trying to get this out again. Fine. So that's gonna close this video. Say bye, Maddie.
Bye, Maddie.
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Peace.